Oh my god, it is highlighting using sunlight things. This natural. Oh my god, what is this? Is this? Welcome back to my show. It's me, Hussy, and it's been a long time I've uploaded a video, but I'm here finally. Yes, I'm here. Anyways, in today's video, I'll share amazing, mind-blowing editing hacks which will help you a lot, not only for YouTube videos but also for musicals, and you may upload videos on Instagram, any kind of video, or you probably go live on Instagram, so it's gonna help you a lot. Guys, this video is also a collaboration with one of my amazing friends. She's Shreya Naidoo. She's also doing videos related to editing, so you get a +1 because yeah. Anyways, let's get on to the video.
You got me jumping like
I'm going to tell you how to make popcorn. The ingredients you need are some popcorn, some butter, and if you want, you can add some salt. First of all, record yourself like this. So when you're finished recording your video like this, what you need to do is editing. So let's edit the video.
To create a double shot, first of all, you need to import your projects and then trim your videos. It's a little quite hard to explain, but I'm trying my best. So when you are done importing and trimming your videos, click on the video where you can see your face and then select extract your audio. It's very important to extract your audio, otherwise you will have something very bad and very weird. Okay, so now I'm naming my videos. The first video is the ingredient video and the other is my face video. So what you need to do is to add your ingredient video between your face video. So as well as your face, you can also see the ingredients. With this, voila, you are done.
I'm going to tell you how to make popcorn. The ingredients you need are some popcorn, some butter, and if you want, you can add some salt.
you got me jumping like
Okay, so whenever you shoot your video, please do not shoot after sunset. It's gonna be worst. You're gonna have worse lightings. It's gonna be all dark. And also do not shoot in artificial light. If you have professional light, then you probably can use. If you shoot before sunset, your video is gonna have amazing quality and you will create a+ video. Promise. Here is a comparison of after sunset and before sunset.
you got me jumping like
As a video maker, we always have this one struggle where we have to keep somewhere our iPads or our phones and we don't have anything. So what you can do is you can stack and stack. You just basically stack stools, chairs, phones, whatever you get, and yep, you create a functional tripod. Not like a very real tripod, but it works. Whenever someone else records a video for me, they always shake camera, which is very annoying. I hate it.
you got me jumping like
Okay, so whenever you want to film a video, always do that in front of a window. I always see a very natural glow on my skin, which is so amazing. I love it. And personally, guys, I'm not a makeup person. I don't know how to do makeup, and the results are so amazing. I love it. So thumbs up for this.
you got me jumping like
Now I'm gonna show how I did this flying heart kind of effect. So first of all, you need to record yourself like this and then export your video in KineMaster, import your video on KineMaster,
and then add stickers on top. Now you can use images or any kind of text or handwriting, but I like to use KineMaster's default stickers, which are my personal favorite. Then you can set your color and amazing stuff. It's pretty easy. Now what you need to do is to adjust your sticker according to a timeline, so it only appears when you start blowing. Also, you can set your sticker size, length, width, whatever you want. Now select your sticker from the timeline until it has those yellow borders, and then go select overall animation and then click fountain. And ta-da! You are done!
You got me jumping like.
Now I'll tell you how you can add moving subscribe button animation on top of your video. First of all, again go ahead, import your video and then click clear and then add a file on top of it. It could be anything like a subscribe button or a bell icon or a like button. It could be anything, like literally anything. And then just click the I button right there, which is on the left corner. And then move your subscribe button or your image from the timeline, then click add, then again move it, then click add, then again move it, then click add. It's just keep repeating until you reach to the end. And by the way guys, I don't know how to explain it, but once you do it, you'll just get hang of it. As you can see, moving my timeline as well as my subscribe button on the screen, so you have to do it, make sure you do it. And with this, ta-da, you are done. That is it for today's video. If you enjoyed, then please give this video a huge thumbs up. And guys, I'll catch you in my next video, maybe a month. Okay. Anyways, now I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.